I'm excited for you to see this next sneak.
Okay.
This is kind of unlike anything we normally do, unlike anything I've seen in the years we've done at Sneaks. That's all I'm really going to say. We're going to lead into this. This is Project Primrose by Christine Dirk.
Creatives are always looking for new canvases to play with, and fashion has always been a place where consumers and designers alike can express their creativity. Many fashion designers use Adobe tools throughout their design process, and in Illustrator, iterating is easy. Trying out a new design can be as simple as clicking a button. Wouldn't it be amazing if the garments themselves could be reconfigured just as easily?
Yep.
Introducing Project Primrose, a digital dress that brings fabric to life. Unlike traditional clothing, which is static, Primrose allows me to refresh my look in a moment.
That is wild. I mean, come on, that's crazy.
What is happening right now? Incredible.
I mean, I imagine you show up, you have one outfit, you can have multiple different scene chains.
Red carpets are going
I
to
was
be
about
way
to say.
sassy.
Yes.
Yeah.
You do movie premieres, different things. Can you imagine wearing, I mean, maybe not
Pants,
this
no
dress.
pants.
Oh, yep. Oh,
Yeah.
fashionable.
Yeah. I'm a fashion boy.
It doesn't have to be static. We can also animate the designs.
That's insane.
It's so crazy. I mean, I know you're pressing a button to essentially change all the designs. Are there other inputs? Do you have to like press a button every single time you're doing this?
Yes, so it does have embedded sensors inside of it. I don't always have to press the button, and I would love to show you how that works. So right now in this mode, you can see nothing's really happening, but as I kind of turn and move, the dress will respond. The dress should respond.
Respond.
Let's try it. One more time, hang on.
There we go.
Here we go.
All right.
There it goes. Live demos, everybody.
It's pretty incredible. And Christine is not just showing this off. Christine made this dress, right? You made
Yes,
this?
yes.
She could do it all.
My team and I designed every aspect of this dress, and I personally stitched it together. Yeah.
Wow.
Project Primrose is a canvas for creativity, and the possibilities are endless. Fashion doesn't have to be static. It can be dynamic and even interactive. And we're excited for a future where there's more ways to express yourself.
Let's hear it for Project Primrose.